Hello nursery kids, welcome to your English session. Kids, today we are going to start our new letter which is H. Please look at the board. First you have to note down today's date 2/5/20 classwork heading letter H. H for house. So kids, today we will learn to trace letter H. Okay, now we will practice to make letter H in these lines. Start from the top and make a standing line, then stop at third line like this. Again we will make another standing line like this. Kids, after this we will go to the middle and make a sleeping line like this. Now letter H is ready. Once again, first we will make a standing line like this, then we will make again another standing line like this. After this we will go to the middle and make a sleeping line like this. Let's try once again. Standing line, standing line. Now we will make sleeping line. So kids, please tell me which letter is this? This is letter H. H for house. Again we will make standing line, then we will make another standing line. After this we will go to the middle and make a sleeping line. Standing line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, standing line, then we will trace sleeping line. Kids, you also have to practice like this as I told you on the board. Okay. After that we will practice making new number 4 in maths also. Mention today's date 2/5/20 classwork heading number 4. Kids, now we will learn to trace number 4. Okay, let's start. First we will draw a standing line to the middle like this. Then we will draw a sleeping line like this. After this we will draw a standing line like this. Now number 4 is done. Let's try once again. First we will draw a standing line to the middle, then we will draw a sleeping line. After this we will draw a standing line like this. So kids, please tell me which number is this? This is number 4. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Now we have done number 4. Kids, this is your today's homework. You have to do one page for classwork and one page for homework in your English and Maths notebook.